After verifying that air and power connections are properly in place, switch on the system. The HMI will start up and display the login screen. Enter your username and password. First-time users will be prompted to create a new password to meet system security requirements. Polaris uses role-based access, meaning operators focus on running production, while executives oversee system configuration and user management. This structure keeps the interface clear and prevents unauthorized changes. Once logged in, use the main menu to access 4 primary areas: recipes, production, analytics, and system. Recipes is where you create, edit, or recall welding setups. Production is used to run parts and view live weld results. Analytics provides weld graphs and historical data for monitoring process performance. In the system area, the user settings section gives authorized users deeper control over how the machine operates. Actuator setup helps with part alignment and refining actuator settings for each recipe. The diagnostics section provides tools like horn scan, seek, test functions, and access to event and alarm logs to help verify system health and troubleshoot issues. The Generate Report function creates detailed weld, alarm, and system reports for documentation, quality review, or auditing. Together, these options provide a streamlined way to manage the system, maintain weld quality, and support ongoing process control.